Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is cool bar right here, and basically what these are some scrub brushes that you can use in your kitchen or your bathroom, and you see it from this brand right here. So the one that we got right here, it comes in a pack of 2 of them. So I'm actually open up and show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so when we take it out, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So when you guys feel the bristles on here, it definitely feels like a high quality bristles, and use it to like clean like your stove top. If you guys want to use this to like clean your pots and pan, you can definitely do all of that on here. And see the way how to design this part right here and this part as well. If you guys need to like clean off like maybe like your electric induction cooktop, or if you guys want to clean off like a grill, you can definitely use that option right here. Or if you guys have stuff on like your countertop that you need to scrub off that this part cannot do, and you need to use this part, you can definitely use this side right here. And I definitely love the overall design of the product. You can see it definitely has a very good grip. They have the logo right here, and they have the little option for you guys to hang on somewhere if you guys want to. And they have like a different color option, so that way you guys know which is for which. So maybe you guys want to use one for the bathroom and one in the kitchen. You guys can definitely keep it organized so you know where exactly everything is and which one is for which. So this is basically what the product looks like. And then I'm actually do a quick test to show you guys how to use the product, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so you see how dirty our stove top is right here. So I'm going to use the little brush that we have to clean off some of the nasty stuff on here. So the brush that I'll be using is this one right here. So let's get some water on here first. So you can see it actually comes off really easily. You can definitely use the other side here to scrub stuff off if the other side right here does not work. Alright, so that should be good. Let's get like a paper and wipe it down. Alright, so you can see that's much cleaner now than before. Alright, so right here with the brush. So once you guys are done using it, you can just rinse it off. Alright, so once you guys are done cleaning it off like this and just rinse it off, you guys can just use this part right here and hang it on somewhere. If you guys can see, this is basically what it looks like once we actually finish cleaning the product, and we can just hang it right here. So when you guys want to use it again, you can just pull it out really easily. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product, and definitely see that actually does work, and actually works quite well. Super easy to use. Like I mentioned, you can either use like the bristle side or the scrubbing side to clean up anything you guys want, like your pots and pans, your stove top, or whatever. We can definitely see that it is pretty easy to use the product. But now that we come unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product in particular, I would definitely have to say that it is worth it if you guys want one or need one of these, especially if you guys have a hard time cleaning like your pots and pans or your stove top, then definitely getting one of these is super convenient. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have need one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.